And we return to our lead story. We told you that multi-platinum record-selling rapper Kanye West delivered a well-received 2-hour gospel concert at the Emancipation Park last night. But there are concerns about the inappropriate use of the national emblems. More from TVJ's Giovanni Dennis.
To the hustlers, killers, murderers, drug dealers, even the strippers.
A rapturous response from the thousands who filled the 7-acre Emancipation Park. This was Kanye West's 2004 gospel hit, Jesus Walks. His 120-member gospel band sang Jamaican favorites. Even Damian Marley's Welcome to Jamrock was remixed to gospel. Mr. West not only sang, he played instruments and in a ministerial manner spoke about his challenges.
I said, I'm not going to go one Sunday without starting a church. And then people told me, you can't call it a church because officially it's this and it's officially that. I said, look, I'm just trying my best. I ain't got all the information. I just know I love God and I need to love him more.
Pleased patrons making their exit at the end of the 2-hour-long concert said it was worth every penny, except it was free.
Breathless, singing, screaming, love you, Kanye. Whew, it was good, great show.
It was a good show. You know, majority of the people here came for Kanye and he definitely delivered. So just seeing him in Jamaica for free, so it was a win-win situation.
I thought it was a very professionally well organized. I was surprised at the numbers of people that came out.
Though we didn't know much of the songs and was able to participate much, we were actually able to, enjoy all that entertainment that they had there.
Pre-concert concerns about crowd control and traffic nightmares due to the short notice of the event were allayed as traffic appeared to move freely. Traffic police were out in their numbers and emergency responders on standby. There were no reports of major incidents. But there are concerns. As they rocked and clapped Friday night, Kanye and his band donned shirts emblazoned with the Jamaican coat of arms. But national emblem should only be used for official government business or educational purposes, not commercial. In 2013, then spokesperson on culture Olivia Babsy-Grange moved a motion to enact a policy governing the proper use of national emblems. The motion also called on the then government to proceed with expansion and finalization of the handbook for national symbols and emblems. It was in the wake of a controversial German commercial that depicted Jamaica's flag on fire. The outrage it drew led to the formation of an interministerial committee to review the use of national emblems and symbols. Executive Director of the Jamaica Intellectual Property Office, Lily Claire Bellamy, was part of that committee and is quoted in a 2014 JIS article advising that the coat of arms should not be printed on jackets or shirts for athletes or any other teams or groups. She said permission for the use of national emblems must be sought from the Office of the Prime Minister. It is unclear if Mr. West and his team received permission from the OPM to use Jamaica's.
And we do apologize for the abrupt end to that story, but just to let you know that our news center has just received an advisory that the content in question has been removed from Kanye West's website.